Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to bold text on Facebook post. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we need to go ahead and visit an online text formatter like EA Text, LingoGem, or CoolFont. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then just type down text formatter, bold. All right. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you'll have a ton of options right here. It says, I mentioned earlier, we have LingoGem. So we're going to tap on it. Now, normal text right here, for example, please subscribe, just like so. And here's the bold options like serif, italic, bold, and some other options, just like these ones as well. We have blocks. All right, so for example, the bold sounds. Well, all you got to do is just tap and hold. All right. Tap and hold, and then copy the entire text that you wanted to copy. Copy. Then you got to go back to Facebook. What's on your mind? Tap and hold. Paste that right here. And as you can see, it's already bold. Now I'm going to type down a regular text right here. All right, so as you can see here, it's not bold. So go ahead and tap on post, and once done, as you can see, it is written in bold. That's how simple it is to bold text on Facebook post. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.